Hello. So I don't really have an excuse for being away for so long because, yeah, I just don't have an excuse. Well, kind of do, but I'm not going to give you an excuse because I'm a loser for not doing any videos or anything lately. So I just want to say good morning to you all before I went to school and say I'm sorry. It's been so long since I've made a video. As you can tell, I look very tired. I am very tired. And I'm really crappy looking right now because I'm going to go to school. But anyway, so good morning. All of you have a good day. And yep, that's about it. Bye. I'll make another video when I get home. Or maybe after school. Don't know. So yeah, bye. Make another video soon. And I'm sorry. I'll try to make more videos as much as I can. School's just kind of being tough right now. But yeah, bye.